to energy drinks to get that caffeine fix. But Dr. Shayesteh joins us today to talk a little bit more about the risks of those energy drinks. What's so bad about them?
Erica, these are become very popular, especially among kids, even teenagers.
Right.
But unfortunately, because of the significant amount of caffeine and sugar content, they can impose a significant health risk. One of them actually, when they consume that much of caffeine, they experience heart palpitation, racing of the heart, arrhythmia, which is abnormal heartbeat, and significant jump on their blood pressure. So anybody have any problem with their heart, they should not be touching these drinks. It can impose a risk. And also, Erica, if you look at the content of these drinks, energy drinks, is nothing but caffeine and sugar. And they're both of them stimulants. So when they drink that, of course, they increase their energy level, they feel wonderful.
Right.
But half an hour later, they have a significant crash.
Right.
So what they need more caffeine and more sugar to repeat the same feeling. As a result, before they know, they become addicted to the caffeine and the sugar content.
What's the difference between the caffeine and sugar you get in an energy drink versus a cup of coffee?
You get significantly less amount of caffeine from the cup of coffee, but there's a massive dose of them packed in small quantities. And also by consuming that much of caffeine, it triggers insomnia, which significantly affects your sleeping pattern. And also, they don't get enough caffeine that one day, they experience significant migraine type of headaches, and definitely nervousness, jitter, and anxiety. And dehydration, because caffeine causes dehydration. You've consumed too much of it. Erica, one of the things that nobody should be doing is mixing alcohol with these energy drinks, because caffeine content so high increases the alcohol tolerance. So the patient or person doesn't feel that they are basically drunk. So they keep drinking and they reach a toxic level, and that can really be really significant health consequence. And one more thing, no kid should touch these energy drinks. They're small, and they can have a significant health consequence on these kids, and especially, Erica, there is no nutritional value. So basically, it's a sugar, caffeine, other stimulant. However, we have nice other alternative for that. Definitely a cup of coffee, tea, or 2, 3 of them, so it's perfectly fine. And the water, some lemon, and even they can add pomegranate juice, pure, that gives a nice color. 100% fruit juices, and even skim milk would be a good alternative, because not only they are causing, basically giving you some caffeine and energy, but also they deliver significant amount of nutrition.
Are there any benefits to energy drinks?
Absolutely not.
Okay, so stay away from it if you
as
can.
As much as
use
possible,
those other
at least keep it to the minimum, especially in younger age group, we see a significant health consequence.
All
and
right.
especially on other things with people with heart issues.
Good advice. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, if you have any other questions about energy drinks or any other topics, you can contact Dr. Shayesteh at the number on your screen. Remember that initial consultation is free. And stay with us. We'll be right back.